Hello everybody. First of all, I'm looking to start a new business, so most probably I won't post much videos anymore. But with the dump from yesterday, let's have a look where we are in the market. So for Bitcoin, we still have this channel here in white, and we went back to the middle and actually wicked a bit lower, right into those anchored VWAPs in green over here. So they come back from the low in April and this high in January. So for the moment it supports. When we look at the fair value gaps, then we can see that this one here got filled, all the others as well, of course, which were higher. So for now this all looks good. Maybe we can quickly go to the CME. So we have a CME gap here around 92,000, which dates back from April. But we also have a smaller one, which is below the wick. And this one is at 11,200. So we might see on Monday with the open, it will open with a gap most probably. And then we might wick into this gap to get filled, and then from there on go higher. So for the algos, let's have a look on the 1 hour. So actually for Bitcoin, this one went short just before we got this wick. So currently in a short position, and let's see, was this long position profitable? It looks like just. Ethereum, this one was clearly a loss, and that one went short also before the wick. Then for the daily charts, let's see, Bitcoin. So actually the turtle strategy, this one went out of the market on the 9th of October, so just before the day of the dump. But then unfortunately the ATR TSS, this one went short on that dump. So this candle was minus 7.29 on Bybit. So this one is currently in a short position and is profitable. So that means that parts of the turtle strategy were profitable. The last two ones were not. But for ATR, let's see, this one went long here. Yeah, so this one had a slight loss. Then Ethereum. So Ethereum, also here, the turtle strategy already went out of the market on the 25th of September, and this one closed, with a huge profit. And then ATR TSS, this one also went short yesterday. So this one also closed, the long position got closed with a loss. Then Solana, the same here, went short yesterday. And then XLM. Actually, this one was a good one. This one already went short on the 26th of September. So the whole way up it was a losing trade, and now it became profitable. Then let's have a look at XRP. Also here the turtle strategy did a good thing. It went out of the market on the 7th October. This one was both were a loss, but a small loss. So we didn't get any negative effects from this wick. And also look how nicely it went into those anchored VWAPs, found support, and then went up again. Then next one, Gala. Also here Gala already went short here on the 22nd of September. So this one is currently in profit. Then TON, that's a bit of a special one. Here we were out of the market already since the 6th of August. And then here we have these marks fake. So that means actually there was a trigger to go long, but the fact that we already got profit from the previous trade, it ignores it. And so we were out of the market and we were not affected by this dump. And this one was, wow, minus 25.31. And let's see for the whole week. Whoa, minus 80%. That's okay. And then Bitcoin Cash. So also here went short on the top, and now it's about 10% of profit. And then let's have a look at the algo trading via copy trading. So here, so we started with $1,000 and we're currently at 7,400. I don't know how much it was before this dump, but all in all, it's still quite good. Let's have a look at the trades. But this is return on investment, so it's hard to compare those percentages. But yeah, Solana, we were out. Bitcoin trades were closed, so those were all with a loss. And then XRP, that's an older one. Yeah, this one got closed on the 8th. So from yesterday, yeah, those are the losses, Solana and Bitcoin. Okay, back to the charts. Unfortunately, there's a problem with the SimpleFX website, so I can't show you that one. But it was worth a few days ago almost $8,000, I believe. So I started with 800, if I recall correctly. So that's almost a 10x. And gold was actually, yeah, the best performer. So, and as you can see here, we were buying beginning of September and currently still in a long position. So we would get out, let's see, this is level 2 entry. So level 2 exit is at 3,838. So still long. Silver, unfortunately, I'm not trading that one any longer. But yeah, what can I say? Let's have a look. What would have been the gains? So we get the buy signal at the bottom, and that's already a 32% gain. So traditional markets, Apple still long, but for the moment with a loss. Adobe the same. Then Amazon got out yesterday, lost that candle, closed 5% lower. Alibaba the same, yesterday got out. Walt Disney, we were not in that trade. Google still open and looks like it was not much affected by that dump yesterday. It made a gain of just minus 0.72. MasterCard out, looks like with a loss. McDonald's, this one was also already closed on the 6th of October, and that one was also with a loss. Meta, we were out on the top. And then Microsoft, these are fake trades, so that one we're not in. Nike, we were already out on the 7th of October with a loss. Nvidia, this one bought on the 9th of October, and then yesterday we did go down 4.89%. So this one is currently underwater. Palantir, nothing. We were out on the previous stop, and then these are fake trades, so these ones are not taken. Tesla, we were buying over here mid-September, and currently they're all still in profit, even after yesterday's close 5% lower. Nasdaq, I can't see how much the loss is for that one. Yeah, 3.5%. But we were buying over here June. Yeah, the whole month of June. So this one is still nicely in profit. And then the S&P 500. Let's have a look. Yeah, the same here. Buying beginning of June. Still in a long position. And then yesterday it closed minus 2.71. And yeah, that was it. Those are the trades for the moment. See you in the next one. Bye bye.